Sean. Today's video, I will be doing a review for a high chair of Shopee. If it's worth it or not worth it for the price. So, let's do this. Abot na siya. Open na nato. Wait. Magwas of alcohol para sanitize.
2,000 years later.
Na-open naman ganun siyang box sa ganina. Ganina na dyan ko nag-start with video good. Supposedly, nahuman ako, but so, muna ni siya. The one thing I didn't like is kaniyang lock diri. Like, di siya secure. Easy kay matagok ang baby. So, ako na lang ni siyang itali. Like this. Now na lang ako, no? Shake bandiri. Take a basket. But nag-struggle ko ani pagbutang. Ano quality? Yung quality is diba? And the color, you know, you can tanggal this, tanggal this, and yeah, you're good to go. Hi, Mimon! So, mauna to siya, guys. Worth it siya. Good quality. I like the color. It's so elegant. Charot. Dako ko na save. Original price was 4,000 to 5,000. In that time, pag check na ko sa Shopee, 1,500 na siya. So, grab dayan din. Grab dayan. So pa may buhaton sa inahan, diba? Grab dayan. And then free shipping and then 20% cashback. Kasi Shopee, nag-sale siya ato like free shipping. And then, ang seller sad is nag-sale sad of 20% cashback. So, dako ito na-save. 1,200 ra akong nabayaran tanan. Dako kong save. Worth it. Good kayo. Good quality. Easy to wash. Dugay na po siya. Okay lang. Diba? And then, yeah, mauro to.